Magandang araw, umaga, tanghali, hapon at gabi sa lahat ng Pinoy diyan sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Kamusta lahat ng ka-crypto natin? So for today's content sa ating video ay we will talking about Shiba Inu. So alam ko marami sa inyo ang pumaldo rito guys. But ito ay serious discussion kung sino pa ang mga holders nito. And please drop comments below para malaman natin kung sino pa mga naka-hold dito, no? So dito guys, live siya kanina and almost 4 hours and 5 hours tayong nag-aantay, no? Kung ilo-launch na ba talaga ang Shibarium. And ayokong spoil but eto na siya, no? So let's watch the video and let's see kung um, mapapabili pa ulit kayo ng Shiba Inu, no?
Ethereum Closing Cabana Party, sponsored by Shib.io. Very special one. Our title sponsor and one of the hottest cryptos in the world. Please welcome Terry from Shiba Inu.
So guys, diyan hindi si Shitoshi pa rin ang nagsalita. So it's Terry, leading operations and HR ng Shibarium. So ayan siya. And dito guys, parang alam niyo 'yon, very mysterious pa rin talaga si Shitoshi after all these years.
After 3 SHIB years, here we stand. It is with my great pleasure that I share with you what our team, decentralized team, has been working on. And you have all waited long enough. It is my deep pleasure to show you the Shib.io keynote.
So guys, medyo matagal lang siya, no? Ayan. So guys, this is Shitoshi, yung magsasalita
Welcome
dyan.
everyone to the Shib.io keynote. Over the past 3 years, Shib has emerged as a global sensation. Beginning from Ryoshi's humble blog, we have blossomed into a global brand, accepted in more locations than most other crypto and non-cryptocurrencies on the planet. From DeFi on ShibaSwap, to NFTs like our beloved Shiboshis, to Shiba Eternity Gaming, our beloved Shib represents a thriving ecosystem that spans the globe. Our impressive present is a testament to our remarkable journey, and it's with great joy that I announce the Shibarium mainnet is now live. With impressive speeds and low cost, limitless, incredible experiences can now be built on Shib's own blockchain. A massive thank you to the over 10,000 Shibarium beta interest submissions, the 17 million beta wallets, and 35 million test transactions. These are the people, products, and services that are ready to build on Shibarium. And a super thanks to our decentralized Shibarium team. and also the unification team for helping build Shiberia. But we're here to speak about our future, right? Unlike our humorous competitors wishing to build an everything app, we are building an autonomous, perpetual, decentralized digital nation state. This groundbreaking framework is explored in the full 100-page SHIB paper. But let's peer into the future to glimpse a new society built by you.
So guys, hanggang dun lang muna ang ipapakita ko 'no, kasi medyo mahaba 'tong video. But, yes, sa mga lahat nag-aantay ng Shiba, so Shibarium is live and, we are here for the long term. As we all know na sobrang tagal natin inantay 'to and unfortunately, nag-dump siya 'no, while Shitoshi was, speaking. Because, as we all know, yung mga whales is nilalaro lang naman 'to 'no. So, mina-manipulate nila but we are here for the long term and, marami akong hino-hold na tokens. So, I have, Lunsi which is, dumping also and, I have AI Doggy and I have Doggy Coin and of course, Shiba Inu hindi mawawala 'yan. And, what else? Check ko lang yung MetaMask ko dito sa kabila. I also have Volt, Matic, no? Sa Arbitrum, I have AI Doggy, so nasabi ko na yun. When it comes to BNB or Binance Smart Chain, I have Floki. So more on what do you call this? More on meme coins ako, tsaka altcoins. But if I am holding a major token, so more on Bitcoin lang ako. And let's see, tingnan natin to, no, guys. So eto, SHIB Army ng Twitter. And then kasi kahapon kaya nag-dump din is akala ng iba hindi matutuloy yung pag-launch ng Shibarium. And let's see. So ito live na siya guys, no? Live na ang Shibarium and again this is not a financial advice and if you are looking for a meme token or eto meron na siyang purpose hindi na siya meme token. Shibarium is live and tingin ko magwo-workout 'to. And, umabot nga pala tayo kanina ng dump ng sobrang baba. Tingnan natin ulit. So, umabot siya hanggang dito 'no, ayan. So, 0.5166 ngayon tumataas na ulit siya and then umaangat, bumababa. So, i-o-observe ko lang siya within 4 hours if, magno-normalize na ulit siya 'no. So, marami kasing natakot, eh. Tingnan niyo dito. Ayan, maraming natakot kasi dito, eh. So, bumagsak siya dahil nga akala nila hindi na naman magla-launch ang Shibarium. So, again, i-o-observe ko muna 'to within this week. So, hopefully, burns naman ang isusunod ng Shibarium and, marami na siyang, kasama sa, sa ecosystem niya like Bone, this one. So, nag-dump din 'to. Ayan, nagda-dump siya. Umabot siya kanina hanggang dito habang nagsasalita si Shitoshi. And then siguro, yun nga, sa takot ng mga tao, nag-dump siya. Dahil nga nagsa-sell off yung mga whales. And then meron pa siyang isang kasama, ito, the doggy killer, which is leash. So lahat yan guys, magkakasama yan sa Shibarium, no? And ayan, nakikita nyo naman, nagda-dump. And normal lang 'yan kasi siyempre ang mga tao kasi hindi naman nila alam kung anong i-expect sa Shibarium but, I trust this project. I think this is the first project na nagkaroon ng, totoong vision 'no, hindi na lang siya meme coin but talagang tinotoo nila na kumbaga dinala nila sa ibang level 'no, yung Shiba Inu. So meron pa isa but I forgot that one. So ayan guys, nakikita niyo naman. And yun lang, again, this is not a financial advice for those who are still holding Shiba Inu. Hold lang tayo guys and then pag may nakita na kayong profit na medyo malaki-laki, then pwede na kayong mag-out definitely dahil sino ba naman tayo para magsabi na mag-hold lang, 'di ba? So if you are happy, just take profit. That's what crypto is. Okay? So thank you guys and have a great day to all mga ka-crypto. Take care and bye-bye.